So, part two. I just did a quick balance, a quick check as to which flower essence hologram is showing up today. And interestingly, it's kangaroo paw. So, kangaroo paw is an Australian bush flower essence that is to do with some people are unaware of the effect they have on other human beings and can come across as a little bit nasty or aggressive or challenging, and especially in this climate where things are so divisive out there on the planet, this just helps to calm that down and allow us to treat other human beings with love and compassion. So that is my intention. So run your central meridians. Give your heart a little wake up. Wakey, wakey, anti-clockwise over the heart. ESR points, the emotional stress release points. Allow them to vibrate. Frontal cortex, rear of the brain. Allow that conscious, unconscious energy to vibrate through the brain. Intention is everything. Beautiful. Allow that energy whizzing between those two hemispheres. Run that central, run that central, run that central. So the flower essences, the tuning forks that showed up were stomach and small intestines. And these are, in Chinese medicine, to do with empathy and sympathy and the whole out of balance thing that's going on the planet at the moment. We're losing empathy and sympathy for other human beings. And I don't think that's why we're here on the planet. I don't think that's our divine purpose. I don't think that's our divine goal, to be hateful and angry and frustrated. So I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transform my unawareness, my grouchiness, my clumsiness and insensitivity into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively enjoy people in a kind, sensitive and relaxed way. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently and lovingly and supportively transcend my unawareness, my grouchiness, my clumsiness and insensitivity into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively enjoy people in a kind, sensitive and relaxed way. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my unawareness, my clumsiness, my insensitivity and my grouchiness into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively enjoy people in a kind, relaxed, sensitive way. The trust in the brain goes, yeah, not that easy. So why would it be hard to give empathy and sympathy at the moment? What is it in our ego that we're trying to protect in ourselves that's not allowing us to move forward with love and compassion and ease and grace? Okay, that's an old pain and punishment circuit. Okay, and that frontal cortex that makes our oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine. So let's go in there. Yeah, so it's allowing us to feel sad and despondent and depressed, because when we're not able to have empathy for other human beings, when we're not able to have sympathy for other human beings, when we're not able to get beyond our own beliefs and boundaries to know that other human beings are here living in this same planet as us, and it's okay. It's okay to have different perspectives. It's okay to have different belief systems. Isn't that the thing that makes us wonderful human beings? If everyone was the same, it would be so boring. That's escape, submission, freeze. So the brain wants to run away, wants to freeze, hide in a corner and not be seen. Okay, a little wakey wakey, rise and shine. Oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine. Wakey wakey, feel good hormones, up you come. Okay. Internal negativity messing with the ability to move forward. So this one's a hippocampus circuit. Messing with our motivation. So because the brain is so much in escape, submission, freeze, how do you make those plans for the future? Don't let people choose your future. Don't let people choose your future. Start working on what it is that will make you happy right now. What is it that will give you joy right now? What is it that will make you feel love again right now? Okay, reticular activating system. Escape, submission, freeze again. So this one's just in relation to the RAS overall, which is the hormones we release when something new's happening in our world. And let's face it, for 2 years, just about every decision I've seen around the world has made me want to run away. So that sort of makes a little bit of sense. So let's go see what hormones are being affected. Right, so it's the low serotonin. So wakey wakey serotonin. So low serotonin. Creating that vigilance in the nervous system. So calming vigilance, increasing the feel-good hormones. Life is good, life is good, life is good. No need to be in vigilance all the time. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Okay, beautiful. Run that central. Anti-clockwise over the heart. Give your heart a little hug. I am love, I am loved, I am lovable. I am worthy. I am conscious. I am happy, healthy, and free. Something I just said that activated a pain punishment circuit. The big agendas are just starting to calm down. They're starting to crumble. So there's the last ditch plan on the planet trying to make things happen. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Run that central. Beautiful. Anti-clockwise. Shared a few neat little things on my Facebook page, which is Madonna at New Leaf Natural Therapies. And on my brain page, the Brain Centre at New Leaf Natural Therapies, but I share more on my Telegram page. So find me there, but I'm trying to share some interesting stuff as things come out. Okay, my beautiful people, look after your souls, take care of your egos, look after your hearts. Take care of all the loved ones around you. Love you guys.